which should be painted, and the perimeter of the floor is given 250 meter. 250 meter. So a hall is just like a cuboid. Length is, this is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. Now this is the floor. This is the floor of the hall. Just like we are standing. Where we are standing? We are standing on the floor. So what is the shape of a floor? The shape of a floor is a rectangle. So the perimeter of the floor given 250 means 2 into L plus V is 250, because perimeter of a rectangle 2 into L plus V. You see here, I have explained. This is a rectangle. Suppose length is L, breadth is B. So opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. This is L, this is L, this is B, this is B. So area perimeter of the rectangle means sum of 4 sides. So L plus B plus L plus B. L plus L, 2L plus 2B, 2 common L plus B. So 2 into L plus B is called the perimeter of the rectangle. And since the floor is a rectangle, so perimeter is 2 into L plus B, 250. First given, perimeter given, and second thing given cost of a painting 4 walls is rupees 15,000. What I told you? I told you cost of a painting 4 walls is given rupees 15,000, and cost of a 1 meter square painting is rupees 10. So total area of a 4 walls, how to find? The area of a 4 walls is equal to total cost divided by cost of a 1 meter square. Total cost is 15,000. Cost of 1 meter square is equal to 10. So 15,000 divided 10 is 1500 meter square. This is the area of 4 walls. So you see, whenever cost of a painting, the 4 walls given 15,000, cost of a 1 meter square given rupees 10, then area of a 4 walls is equal to 15,000 divided by 10 is a 1500 meter square. So how it can? For example, suppose you are going to market to purchase the potatoes, and you have taken 20 rupees. You have taken 20 rupees. And you have taken suppose 200 rupees. Now the cost of potato is very high. Suppose you have taken 200 rupees. Your mother or your father told to you to go to the market and purchase the potatoes. And your father or your mother given you 200 rupees and told him that you have to purchase the potatoes of 200 rupees. Totally 200 rupees का potato खरीदना है. And whenever you ask the vegetable seller what is the cost of potato, he or she told that the cost of 1 kg potato is rupees 50. So you have taken 200 rupees, and the vegetable seller told you that the cost of 1 kg potato is rupees 50. So how much kg potatoes you will purchase? Now rupees 200 divided by 50 means the total rupees divided by cost of 1 kg potato. So same process, if the cost of a painting of a 4 walls is 15,000 and cost of a 1 meter square painting is rupees 10, just like this is the total rupees you have taken, and this is the cost of 1 meter square means 1 kg potato is rupees 50, and this is 200 by 50, 4 kg potato will purchase. Same thing, cost of a painting 4 walls 15,000. Cost of a 1 meter square painting rupees 10. So area of a 4 walls is equal to total cost divided by cost of a 1 meter square. So 1500 meter square. This is the area of a 4 walls. But area of a 4 walls formula you know, 2HL plus B is equal to 1500 meter square. So now 2HL plus B, I can write H bahar leke bracket के अंदर 2L plus B is equal to 1500. Same thing, this and this are same, but I have taken H outside and given bracket. Why? Because 2L plus B already we know 250. So I will use directly formula. So therefore H into 2 bracket L plus B means perimeter. In place of perimeter you write 250 is equal to 1500. So that is the H is equal to 1500 divided 250. 0 cancel. 25 1, 25 6 meter. Therefore height of the hall is 6 meter. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless you.